What if you could describe your business out loud, and by the time you finish talking, the website, the products, the checkout, and the sales page already existed? That's not a hypothetical. That's what I'm about to show you. I'm reviewing a platform that replaces an entire stack of tools: website builder, checkout system, course platform, CRM, email marketing, all of it with one AI agent you literally talk to. You tell it who you are and what you want to sell, and it builds the business around that conversation. This is my full breakdown of Skillplate, what it actually does, where it's genuinely impressive, where it still has rough edges, and whether the lifetime deal is worth it. The link is down in the description and pinned in the first comment, so grab it there. Before we get into it, if you're new here, follow the page and subscribe to the channel. I test tools like this properly, hands-on, so you're not gambling your money finding out if the sales page was telling the truth. Let's talk about the actual problem this is solving. If you ever tried to launch a course, a coaching program, or a digital product, you know the real work isn't the idea. It's the 15 tools you suddenly need to stitch together. A website builder, a checkout processor, email marketing, a members area, a CRM, some kind of automation tool to connect all of it. That's before you've made a single sale. And most people burn out or give up somewhere in that setup phase. Skillplate's approach is to collapse all of that into one platform, run by an AI agent they call the Overmind. You describe your business, who you are, what you know, what you want to offer, and the Overmind generates your product catalog, complete with images, descriptions, and landing page copy from that conversation. It doesn't just spit out a plan and leave you to build it, it actually builds the offer, the website, and can help launch marketing campaigns from that same conversation. What you can actually sell through it is pretty broad: courses, coaching programs, paid communities, memberships, consulting or agency services, digital downloads, and bundles that combine multiple offers together into one high-ticket package. You're not limited to one product type and forced onto a different platform the moment your business model changes. On the storefront side, everything is designed to look like your business, not a template with your logo slapped on it.
Every product gets a landing page automatically generated for it. Mobile first, SEO optimized, ready to publish. And there's a global branding system. So if you update your colors or your visual identity once, it updates across your entire site instead of you manually redoing every page. The checkout is built in too, which is one of the bigger selling points here. You get subscriptions, one-time payments, coupons, and upsells natively without duct taping a separate payment tool onto your website like you'd have to with a lot of website builders. And as of the newest update, full white labeling is available, meaning your customers see your brand, your domain, your checkout with no trace of the platform underneath it. That was one of the most requested features from existing users, and it's a big deal if you're a coach, consultant, or agency that needs to look fully independent. What I think is genuinely the most interesting part is that the Overmind doesn't stop working after launch. It keeps analyzing your orders, your analytics, your CRM data, and customer behavior, and gives you next best step guidance based on what's actually happening in your business. So instead of a static dashboard you have to interpret yourself, you're getting an ongoing recommendation engine that's watching your numbers and telling you what to do next. Everything else you expect from a business operating system is in here too. A CRM to manage customers, order and revenue analytics, unlimited email marketing, certificates and exams if you're running structured courses, affiliate management, and integrations with Stripe, Discord, Zapier, and N8N if you want to connect it into a bigger automation workflow. Now let's be fair about where it's not perfect. Some users have mentioned a learning curve early on simply because this is a genuinely different way of building a business compared to clicking around a traditional website builder. You're guiding an AI agent rather than dragging and dropping everything yourself. And that takes a small adjustment. There have also been a few comments about limited theme variety and occasional friction setting up upsells, though those are relatively minor compared to what the platform is trying to replace. And worth knowing upfront, there's a commission fee on sales that decreases as you move up the pricing tiers, or you can add on a 0% commission for life if that matters more to your business model. On setup, there's genuinely very little of it. You sign up, start a conversation with the Overmind about your business, and it starts generating your catalog and site from there. No developers, no designers, no separate hosting to configure. Hosting is included.
Pricing is a one-time lifetime payment instead of a recurring subscription, which stands out considering what this is replacing. You'd normally be paying separately for a course platform, a website builder, a CRM, and email marketing tools every single month. The tiers scale based on your contact list size, active users, and video storage. So solo creators can start small and scale up later if the business grows. I'll leave the current pricing breakdown in the description since it's worth checking the exact numbers for the tier that fits you. So who should actually get this? If you're a coach, consultant, or course creator who wants to launch without hiring a team or juggling 10 subscriptions, this is built exactly for that use case, and the one-time pricing makes it a strong value long-term. If you already have a heavily customized existing stack that works well for you, the switching cost might not be worth it right now, and that's a fair call too. If you want me to actually sit down, talk to the Overmind live, build out a real offer from scratch, and walk you through the checkout and website setup step by step, drop a comment below saying tutorial, and I'll get that full video made. And before you go, follow the page and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. The link to grab this deal is in the description and pinned in the first comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.